So you fall asleep, and then not too long thereafter, bam, your eyes are wide open, and you just start thinking about everything under the sun. And then you go, uh-oh, I won't be able to fall asleep. Then I'm going to be tired tomorrow. So what do? So let's go over 3 suggestions that you can use in order to fall back asleep. But before then, welcome to the MindFlex Minute. I'm Pedro Hernandez, and if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you check out the other videos that we have that include workouts, recipes, and more. Now, the goal for the MindFlex Minute is to help you increase your awareness and to help you increase your mental conditioning so that you can achieve any goal that you may have in mind. Now, to get back on topic, the first thing that you want to do is breathe and press the snooze button. What do I mean by that? It means that you're going to take a breath, smile, and actually be grateful for the fact that you have a life that has layers, that is interesting, and that is challenging. So rather than worry about the things that you have going on, you're going to be grateful for them and be glad that you actually do get the opportunity to work on those things. This is where your perspective is key. Then you can press the snooze button. Just like you do in the morning when you wake up and you still feel sleepy, press that snooze button because you want to get more sleep. Why can't you do the same thing when it comes to your worrying, when it comes to your concerns? It's acknowledging them because they are legitimate concerns, but you don't have to necessarily take care of them right then and there at night when you should be asleep. You can press the snooze button and go, I will take care of those worries, those concerns in the morning. If they truly are true concerns that you need to take care of, you can do those in the morning. So press the snooze button on those things. And after you do that, then you can start your breathing. You can start imagining that there is a cycle of breath going in and out. You just imagine that cycle right in front of you. Deep breaths in, deep breath out. Inhale, exhale, so that you can get your brain back nice and calm so that you can fall back asleep. Number 2, you may be one of the people that says, that stuff doesn't work for me. I just try it, it doesn't work. So let's do the opposite. You're still going to be up, you're still going to be worrying, so rather than staying in bed, get up. Go do something that is directly related to the issues that you have. Go do something that's going to improve or resolve those issues. Because a lot of the times, the reason why we're worrying is because we feel like we're not doing things about them. So get up and do something. Now, odds are is that you're not going to get up from bed because those things are not that important for you. You're just worrying for the sake of worrying. There's really nothing to do, so get to sleep. You can press that snooze button and deal with those things in the morning. Number 3 is all about taking control, is knowing your sphere of control. What are you really in control of? What is outside of your control? What is the worst case scenario if things were to happen? So once you ask yourself those questions, what are you in control of? What can't you control? And really, worst case scenario, what would it be? And that will give you some mental clarity and some mental calmness so that you can get back to sleep. Now, sleep is very, very important. It affects every aspect of our lives. When we have lack of sleep, we tend to have poor judgment, we tend to get sicker, and we slow down our progress. So if you do experience waking up in the middle of the night just worrying about things, try to put one of these suggestions into practice. They may work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.